What's the meaning of coaxingly? Coaxingly. Coaxingly.
Coaxingly. Coaxingly. The term coaxingly is an adjective that describes a tone or manner of persuasion that is gentle, soothing and meant to encourage. It suggests the idea of using flattery, compliments, or gentle words to influence someone or something without applying any force or compulsion. When a person uses coaxing words, they aim to persuade or convince another person to take a particular course of action, without applying any pressure or force. The overall result of using coaxing words can be a positive and effective way to get someone to do what you want, without being too demanding or rude.